How to sign up on UpScrolled app. 1. Open the UpScrolled application. 2. Select Create Account. 3. Enter your name. 4. Enter your email. 5. Enter your date of birth. 6. Select Next. 7. Enter your password. 8. Select Next. 9. Select Next again. 10. Enter your verification code. 11. Select Verify. 12. Enter your nickname. 13. Select Sign Up. Success, you have created an account. Don't forget to like and subscribe.